among people through the human life span. Thank you.
Thank you, Jandia. Now I'd like to call Arpita Naik of Class 8A from Shivalik Junior, followed by Pranab Kumar Patel of Class 7A from Nilgiri.
Good afternoon to all. I am Arpita Naik of AK from Shivalik Junior, present over here to say something on cultural significance of festivals. I will take an example for this topic. Have you heard of Raksha Bandhan? So, as you know that it is a festival that is related to brothers and sisters. I will tell you how it is started. So, when Krishna got an injury on his palm, he asked for help from Draupadi, and Draupadi tore a piece of cloth from her sari and tied it on his injury. Seeing this, Krishna said to her that whenever you are in trouble, just remember me and I'll help you there. After some days, when Pandavas and Kauravas had a game of dice, the Pandavas lose in that game. The consequences was the Pandavas had to leave Hastinapur and hand over Draupadi to them. Draupadi was disturbed by the Kauravas. She screamed for help to everyone, but nobody helped her. Then she remembered Krishna. Without wasting any second, Krishna helped her and provided her with more clothes. This shows that every brother has a sincere responsibility for his sister. This also shows that a festival has its own significance that we should respect. Thank you.
Thank you, Arpita. Now I'd like to call Pranab Kumar Patel of 7th A from Nilgiri Junior, followed by Kesav Kumari of 7th A from Udagiri Junior.
Good afternoon to one and all present over here. Myself Pranav from Nilgiri Junior. Today I am standing over here to say something about festivals around the world. Festivals are the process by which we all can unite together. Yes, I agree that we all are of different caste, different religion and different tradition. But then also, if the festivals came, we all celebrate the festivals nicely with a unite manner. We celebrate different types of festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, etc. But yes, I agree that these are the religious festivals. But then also, every religion people celebrate every festival with a great joy and excitement. Every festival has their own value and history. There are many famous places which are popular by their festivals. Like our Puri is famous for Rath Yatra. Festivals provides us a happiness which can't be described in this short speech. So at last in the conclusion, I just only want to say that festivals are the festivals games with festivals games with joyfulness. We celebrate it happily and it goes by providing us a nice happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, Pallav. Now I'd like to call Kesav Kumari of 7th A from Udagiri Junior, followed by Akanksha Das of 7th A from Nilgiri Junior.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Keshav Kumari of class 7th A of Udagiri Junior House. Today I am stand before you to tell about cultural significance of festivals around the world. Festivals is the most important in our life because it shows the diversity and unity in the world. You know about the world. World has so many different types of festivals, countries. And in that country, they are celebrated different types of different types of festivals. In that festival, they are very excited. They are very joyful. Festivals are a time for people to come together and honor their sad history. Festivals are cultural and social events that bring people together to celebrate and enjoy various forms of artistic expressions, music, food, and events. This events offer a unique and widespread experience that and there is a wide variety of festival type to satisfy the interest of various audiences. Culture significance.